That knot in your stomach? The sudden rush of adrenaline? The words, "You're under arrest." It's a moment no one ever expects, but knowing what to do in those critical first few minutes can change everything. You might feel your world tilting, but this isn't the time for panic. It's the time for clarity. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. I am not a lawyer, and nothing discussed here should be taken as a substitute for professional legal counsel. If you're facing legal issues, please consult with a qualified attorney. Okay, let's talk about those first 5 steps, the essential actions to protect your rights and yourself right at the moment of arrest. This isn't about fighting or evading, it's about smart, lawful self-preservation. Step 1, don't resist, period. This is paramount. When an officer tells you you're under arrest, your first, most instinctive reaction might be to pull away, argue, or even run. Don't. Physical resistance, even if you believe the arrest is unlawful, can lead to additional charges, escalate the situation unnecessarily, and even result in injury. And let's be clear about what resistance means. It's not just about throwing a punch. It can be defined as tensing up, jerking away when they try to handcuff you, or refusing to put your hands behind your back. These actions can lead to a resisting arrest charge, which is a new crime all on its own, completely separate from whatever they are arresting you for. Your goal here is de-escalation. Cooperate physically. Allow them to handcuff you, guide you, and search you for weapons, which is called a search incident to arrest. If you feel the need to say anything, make it about cooperation. For example, "I am not resisting. I am placing my hands behind my back." Or, "I am not resisting. Please don't use force." Your cooperation at this stage is not an admission of guilt, it's a strategic move to protect your physical safety and prevent the legal headache of another charge. You can challenge the legality of the arrest later, in a courtroom with your lawyer. The side of the road is not the place to do it. Step 2. Clearly state you are invoking your right to remain silent. This is your Fifth Amendment right, and it is your single most important shield. But here's the critical part. You can't just be silent. In some situations, courts have ruled that just staying quiet isn't the same as invoking your right. You must clearly, affirmatively state it. A simple, clear sentence is all it takes. As soon as you're in custody, say, "I am invoking my right to remain silent," or "I wish to remain silent." Let's do a quick role play. The officer might say something like, "Look, you don't seem like a bad person. Just tell me what happened and we can probably clear this whole thing up." Your response is not an explanation, not a denial, just, "Officer, I am invoking my right to remain silent." What if they keep talking? You stay firm and polite. "As I said, I am invoking my right to remain silent." Don't worry if they haven't read you your Miranda rights yet. Those rights, the "you have the right to remain silent" speech, are only required before a custodial interrogation. But your right to be silent exists the moment you're in custody. Activate it yourself. Step 3. Clearly state you want a lawyer. This is the other half of your Fifth and Sixth Amendment protection. It's just as important as invoking silence, and it must also be done clearly and unambiguously. Do not be vague. Saying, maybe I should get a lawyer," or "Do you think I need a lawyer?" doesn't count. That's not a clear request. You must be direct. "I want a lawyer," or "I will not answer any questions without my attorney present." Once you make this clear request, all questioning about the crime must stop until your lawyer is there. Officers are trained to try to get you to waive this right. Let's do another role play. "Officer, are you sure? Lawyers are expensive. This will go much faster if you just talk to me." You, "I want a lawyer." Officer, "So you're not going to cooperate? This will look bad for you." You, "I am invoking my right to a lawyer and will not answer any questions without my attorney present." Be a broken record. Be calm, polite, but unmoving. Their job is to build a case. Your job is to protect your rights. Demanding a lawyer is how you do it. Step 4. Do not answer questions or make small talk. This is where many people get into trouble. You've invoked your rights, you're sitting in the back of the patrol car, and the officer starts making small talk. It feels awkward. It's human nature to want to fill the silence. Officer: "Man, tough day, huh? Crazy traffic out there." Or, "Where were you coming from tonight?" Or, "So what do you do for a living?" These questions seem harmless, but they are not. This is a technique. It's designed to build rapport, to make you feel comfortable, and to get you to lower your guard. The second you start talking about the weather, it can easily slide into, "So you saw what happened back there?" Even an innocent answer can hurt you. If you say, "I was just coming from my friend's house," and later your lawyer presents an alibi that you were somewhere else, that contradiction will be used against you. Your response to all questions, even casual ones, should be the same. A polite, "I have already stated I wish to remain silent and want a lawyer." Or you can simply and politely say, "Nothing." Do not engage. Do not try to explain yourself. Do not make excuses. Do not apologize. Every word you say is a potential weapon against you. Don't hand it to them. Step 5. Remember details for your lawyer. While you're remaining silent, your mind should be working. You are now the primary witness for your own defense. Your lawyer wasn't there, but you were. You need to create a mental checklist and burn it into your memory. First, the officers. Try to get badge numbers. If you can't, get names. If you can't get names, remember their faces, their height, their race, any distinguishing features. How many officers were there? What did each one do? Second, the timeline. What time did the interaction start? What time were you arrested? Where were you taken? How long did everything take? Third, the words. What exactly did they say was the reason for your arrest? Did they read you your Miranda rights? If so, when? What did you say? Try to replay the exact quotes in your head. Fourth, the searches. Did they search your person, your car, your belongings? When did this happen? Did they ask for consent? Did you give it? Hopefully you said, "I do not consent to a search," but remember what actually happened. Fifth, the environment. Where were you? Were there streetlights? Were there security cameras on nearby buildings? Were there other people around? Any potential witnesses? Did you see the officer's body cam or dash cam? As soon as you get your one phone call, your priority is to contact a lawyer or a family member who can find you a lawyer. The very first chance you get to speak privately with your attorney, you will download all of this information to them. These details can be the very things that win your case. Being arrested is terrifying, but it doesn't have to mean you've lost all control. By understanding and calmly applying these 5 steps, you are protecting yourself and preserving your constitutional rights. This is how you navigate one of the worst moments of your life with clarity and self-preservation. Stay safe, stay informed, and know your rights.